Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, January 8th of 2019. For morning announcements for today, just as a reminder, students, if you could tell your parents there's a PTCO meeting today after school at 3:30 in the library. So we will be discussing things such as World's Finest Chocolate. Those are the chocolate boxes that many of you sold last year. So we'll be looking at doing that fundraiser again this year. We'll be discussing it today. For January birthdays, we do not have any birthdays today for announcements, so we will have some later on this week. For our lunch choices, we have cheese-filled Bosco sticks with sauce, chef's salad with bread, or turkey and cheese wrap. And for today, we do have some girls from 4th grade who will be talking about our Paws.
All right, boys and girls, we're here to do our Paws for today. We have 3 suggestions from some girls here from 4th grade to give some ideas for our Paws.
To be kind to others, show teachers respect, be helpful.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you, girls.
All right, those are great suggestions. I appreciate that very much. So, boys and girls, remember that we're doing our Paws at all times. Definitely making sure we're keeping a positive attitude and showing respect. But let's try to make sure that we're working hard on our academics, too. So, especially at this time of the year when we get into winter, sometimes things like our new Christmas gifts or things that we have become more important than doing our work. So, let's make sure we stay on top of what we need to do here at school. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much for our Pledge of Allegiance from 4th grade today. Everyone have a great day. Let's make sure we're showing a positive attitude and we're showing respect. So we'll be seeing you probably in the lunchroom or at recess today as we kind of continue to monitor to see how our new lunch schedule works. Have a great day.